In my previous video, I learned how to do a backflip. After this, I had a couple more sessions at a trampoline park so I can get used to it. And recently, I started to do this on the grass. Now, a few days later, I feel like I cannot do this anymore. I know I can, but something in my head saying like, hey bro, no. It's like I have a mental block or something. Last like 3 days I was standing on the grass like half an hour, 40 minutes without action. I was just jumping high. I was like, okay, I'm ready. What is going on? Hello, my brain, are you here? Go away. But I have such a relief when people say it's normal. So here I am, trying to face my fears again. I'm afraid, but I'm gonna do it anyway. By the way, stretches for your calves actually helps to not get any cramps. And no, still not ready. I don't know, there is a moment when your feet leave the ground and for a split second you're suspended between fear and flight. Well, I guess that's the moment I live for. Our brain is such an interesting place. I landed my first backflip on the grass over and over again. The rush, the freedom. It felt like I'd broken gravity. But then something changes. And this struggle, out of nowhere, a wall, mental, invisible, paralyzing. I stood there, feet planted, heart racing, mind screaming, what if I can't do it anymore? What's going on? Dude, I don't have too much time. I'm standing here more than 10 minutes already. Yep. Oh, wow. Nice, I didn't stretch my abdominal and now I did something and it hurts here. Why is only my left side? Oh, come on. Go. Shit. Now it's rainy. Do you see it? This is the mattress I sleep on. Wow. It didn't make sense. My body knew how, but my mind forgot. Hey, excuse me. I'm trying to land a backflip here. Can you say, do it, don't be a pussy to me?
Not really.
Why? You can just look at me and say, do it, don't be a pussy.
Don't be a pussy, just do it.
Thank you. Now I need to try. Trying not to be upset about this. Just like, why? So I went back to where it was safe. The trampoline, the basics, the fundamentals. I started again. One flip at a time. It came back to me pretty fast, rebuilding not just muscle memory, but trust in myself. I can do this. Every try, every second in the air was one step closer to breaking that wall. Then I moved to the floor.
This is just carpet.
Harder, less forgiving, but I kept going, pushing, failing, learning, and finally, back to where it all began, the grass. The fear still whispered, but now I was louder.
Do you hear me now?
What? Good evening, Ozzy.
Who's listening?
I know I still need to work on that so my legs can be straight when I land. One of the main things that help me is to just look straight, just like this. And it isn't about backflip, it's about breaking limits in here, about facing that voice inside that says you can't, and just flipping over it anyway. The next time fear stands on your way, remember this: you might not overcome it all at once. You chip away, step by step, jump by jump, flip by flip, until the impossible becomes just a routine.